Hello everyone, I am Kirtan, currently pursuing my MBA in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today let us know about Baumol theory. According to Baumol, sales revenue maximization is most important goal of managers, and their models are like static models of sales maximization, dynamic model of sales maximization. And in that static model of sales maximization, there comes without advertisement and with advertisement. Dynamic model of sales management also included in that. Argument in support of this theory: a firm gives much importance to magnitude of sales and much concerned about declining. If the sales of firm are declining, bank creditors and capital markets are not prepared to provide finance to it. Its own distributors and dealers might stop taking interest in it. Consumers might not buy its product of its unpopularity. Firm reduces its managerial and other staff with fall in sales. But if firm sales are large, there are economics of scale and firm expands and earns large profit. Salaries of workers and management also depend to a large extent on more sales, and firm gives them bonus and other facilities. Static models of sales maximization. As I told in starting, whereas they are divided into some subparts. In that static model of sales maximization, it means that given minimum acceptable level of profit, the basic assumptions of the model are like the time horizon of the firm is single period, and the firm aiming for only that particular period. It ignores what will happen in the subsequent periods as a result of decision taken in current period. The certain minimum profit consent is determined by the market conditions. Demand curve is downward, sloping curve is upwards, unit curve is U-shape, like which is explained in this diagram. In figure that TC is called total cost, and TR is called total revenue, and TT is called profit, and X1 output level where the profit is maximum, and X2 is output level where profit is less than at X1, but sales are more. In this diagram you can see clearly that how the static model without advertisement is. Sales maximizer sells at a price lower than profit maximizer. Firm will not increase its sales beyond X2 because its profit is less than TT, and its TT means I have told you that profit. It will not be acceptable to shareholder, to shareholder and other lending institutions and managers. We assume that the sales revenue increases with the advertising expenses. An oligopolistic firm will prefer to go for a sales maximization via an increase in advertisement rather than a price cut. The sales maximizer decides on optimum advertisement by examining its impact on sales revenue. This is with static model with advertisement. And in this diagram it's explained that TC equal to, as I told, total cost. C and C1 plus ACBC is equal to production cost. TR equal to total revenue. TT equal to profit, and that maximum profit and sales maximization profit, A advertisement expenditure incurred, and A5 equal to advertisement expenditure incurred by the sales maximizer. Limitations, and there are some disadvantages or limitations of static model that are explained as the given. Assumption of the constant price for all the product is not realistic. Production cost is assumed to be dependent of advertising expenditure. However, with the advertisement, the sales increase, the physical volume of output increases, leading to economics of sale. A firm already producing at maximum possible efficiency may face diseconomics of sale. This will affect production cost of the firm and strives for a sales maximization of management. Dynamic model of sales maximization. Dynamic models are like, first one, assumption means the objective of the firm is to maximize the rate of growth of sales revenue over its lifetime. Sales revenue is referred as R, grows at the rate of percent is defined as G, small g. Profit is not taken as given exogenous variable which acts like a constant in the static. Demand and cost curves have traditionally shapes as in the static model. We assume that the sales revenue or growth are at a rate of growth percentage over its lifetime. The firm will have a stream of revenues. The present value of the stream of future revenue is estimated by the discount formula. The discount formula is that R, R into 1 plus G divided by 1 plus I in R, 1 plus G divided by 1 plus I, as so on, is equal to R 1 plus G to N divided by whole power N, where I is the rate of discount. The total percent discounted value of all future revenue is like is equal to summation R into 1 plus G divided by 1 plus I whole square, N equal to 0 to 1 to 3 N time. S equal to like future stream of scale. The growth function is derived from profit function, as the growth of the firm is mainly financed by retained profits. The highest attainable growth rate is achieved when the profit is maximized, and this is explained through this diagram where the R revenue and the growth rate is explained. And the limitations of this theory is that it tried to explain long run behavior of sales maximization firm. However, in the long run market, demand, prices of factors of production, etc. change. This model does not take these changes into an account. This is briefly explained as Baumol theory.